I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set maximum RAM usage. First, let's open the System Configuration tool. Simply press the Windows key and R together to bring up the Run dialog. Then, type msconfig into the box and hit Enter. This will launch the System Configuration window, which is where we'll adjust your memory settings. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now that System Configuration is open, click on the Boot tab at the top. This tab lists your operating systems and their boot settings. To access the memory limits, you'll need to click the Advanced Options button. This opens a new window with crucial settings for your system startup, including the maximum memory allocation. It's a key step to proceed. In the Boot Advanced Options window, locate the Maximum Memory checkbox. Make sure to check this box to activate the memory limit setting. Below it, you'll see a field where you can enter your desired maximum RAM in megabytes. For instance, if you want to set a limit of 8 gigabytes, you would type 8192. Be careful not to set it too low. Once you've entered your maximum memory value, click OK in the Advanced Options window. Then, back in the main System Configuration window, click Apply and then OK. You'll then be prompted to restart your computer. It's essential to restart for these changes to take effect, ensuring your system boots with the new maximum RAM usage you've specified. Your system will now operate with the adjusted memory limit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.